I'm Dave and this is Austin Eats. Cioppino is a wonderful seafood stew, and if you look on the internet, there are a million different varieties of cioppino. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorites. It's an adaptation of a recipe by Giada De Laurentiis on the Food Network. It's absolutely delicious, it's really easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats.
To prepare a fennel bulb, slice off about 1/4 inch of the root, cut it in half, and then simply start slicing, 1/60 of an inch slices or so up from the bottom. When you hit the very top, or it starts turning green inside, you're done. For this cioppino, I'm using fresh shrimp, manila clams, some snow crab claws, and red snapper. Just slice up the red snapper into about 1-inch pieces, and you're ready to go. Next, I'm going to saute the sliced fennel bulb along with some onion and some shallot. Next, I'll add some salt and some diced garlic and give this a really good stir. Next comes some tomato paste and another good stir. Once that's been fairly well incorporated, I'll add some tomatoes, a little bit of water, and finally some fish stock. Any good seafood base will work just fine for this. Once that's incorporated, I'm going to add a bay leaf, give it a stir, and then cover it and let it simmer. Oh, this smells so good. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's get this covered. 30 minutes later, the flavors have blended. I'll add some coarsely ground black pepper, give it a stir, and now it's time to start adding the fish. First goes the clams. Now I'm not just throwing these in, I'm gently dropping them in. I don't want the shells to crack. So after the shells go in, and that looks pretty good, now I'm going to cover it up and let those cook for a few minutes. Clams can take a little while to cook, so give them a 5-minute head start before you add the other fish. Here goes the crab claws, followed by the rest of the fish. Now this is going to cook fairly fast. Just give this a stir, let this simmer for a few minutes, and you're going to have a wonderful seafood cioppino. This dish smelled great and tasted even better. This is an original recipe by Giada De Laurentiis on the Food Network. I modified the spices a bit and the fish a lot, but it's Giada's recipe. Thanks, Giada. This was great. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.